No, guys, and assalamu alaikum. It's not what you think. Something different today. No cooking. I come home from work the other day and I find this in my garden. Look at that, guys, mashallah. We've got a lot of visitors in our back garden. A duck with about 6-7 ducklings. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ducklings with it. I don't know where they've come from or anything. So what I'm going to try and do is maybe phone the RSPCA or before the cats get some, or catch them and let them go in a local park where there's ducks with a pond. It's gone behind there now. There they are. I don't know if you can see them. There he is. A duck with about 8 ducklings. Look at them, mashallah. So I've got to do something about this before the cat gets them. So I think the best thing to do would be try and catch them and then let them go in the park, because there's a local park with a big pond and there's ducks there. Hopefully they'll be alright there, but I thought I'll share it with you. See if I can get them out a bit more. There they are. Look at them. But catching them is going to be a bit of a game, but I think I'll manage, because I've kept pigeons and chickens in the past. MashaAllah, look at them. The only thing is, because there's 8 of them, if they get attacked by a cat, I'm sure he'll be able to grab a few, so I'm going to try and rescue them before the cat gets here. They are scared, obviously, because they're wild. Well, the duck is. Yeah, you can see. My garden's a bit of a mess. I mean, I'm sorry, guys, because I've had a lot of building work done. And I'm still in the process of doing the garden. But I had to get this in. MashaAllah, look at him. So I'm going to try and catch him and then see if I can drop him off at the local park. Duckling, and I've caught the mother as well, and I've just found the local vets and they said it's alright to let him go in a local park with the pond. So there's no ugly duckling in them ones, they're all cute and everything, so I'm going to be letting them go in the local park now. Look at them. So they are quite frightened, so I'm not going to mess about with them too much. I'm just going to put them in the box and I'm going to let them go in the park. And I'll see you at the park. Okay guys, so we've arrived at the local park. I've asked the vets and my neighbours confirmed with his friend who's got a pond with ducks, but he said he couldn't take them in. It's best to let them go in the park. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So I'm going to let the ducklings go first and then the mother, because we don't want the mother getting too far for the ducklings to catch up. So the ducklings have to go first. Bismillah. So I've got the mother, so I'm just going to let them go slowly. Just make sure you record them going. So the ducklings are gone and now the ducks.
Oh, but he's finding to you back. The yellow one.
Yeah, that's alright, that's alright. Wait back. And they've gone into the pond and they're looking happy. Look at them all jumping in. Come closer. MashaAllah, look at them. They're swimming off now. All free. Look happy. Inshallah, they'll grow up and have their own ducklings. One happy family. Freed. There they are. Just about see them. Having a swim around in the pond. It's a good, nice, big sized pond with three islands are in the middle. So they'll be well safe here. Yeah, there's some more ducks coming in now. And there's the ones I let go. Sorry about the video quality, but it's a bit... Oh, he was getting attacked then. Oh. One of them attacked him, but the mother soon sorted him out and he's gone. Come on. Sorry about the video quality, guys, but there they are. Oh, she's having a dive in and everything now. Okay. Okay, I'm going to leave him to it, guys. There's the mother. You can just about see her. There they are, and you can see the other ducks about as well. And they're mixing in well, drinking water, the mother is, and the babies are following it, the ducklings. Some up there, they're large. Keep an eye on the one we let go.
They're going
Anyway,
now.
we're going to leave them to it now. Hopefully they'll be alright, inshallah. I'm here in the park trying to look for these ducklings. This is the next day, and I'm struggling, so I'm going to carry on looking. And if I do find them, then I'll restart the video. Okay, guys, I think there they are with the ducklings, but there's only like 2, 4, 6 ducklings with it. I think that's the one. But there's loads of ducks about now, so I probably won't even spot them. But mine were, the one that I let go were 7 dark ones. The one that I let go were 7 dark ones and 1 yellow one. And these all seem to be a bit yellow, so I don't think it's these ones. But they're about the same size, so, and they look well, so I hope they will be well when I see them. But there's quite a bit of ducks and geese down here. Look at that. It's a beautiful pond. Look at it with 3 islands in the centre. It's a bit windy, so I'll have to probably over voice record this. Look at them. There they are, the ducklings. It's a bit windy, so I'll probably have to over voice record it. I don't think so. These are the ducklings that I released yesterday. I'll have to keep on looking for them. 2, 4. Yeah, there's only about 6 and they're slightly lighter colour, but if you look down here, there's quite a few ducks. I'm going to give these a bit of a bread now. I bought them close. Now I bought these close to the... They've seen the bag of bread, so I'll give them a bit of a feed. So they get a bit each. and I'll carry on looking for them. Okay guys, I think I've spotted them from a bit of a distance, but I counted about 8. But I'll get to there now and I'll show you. No, these ain't him. No, I thought it was them when I counted about 8. How many? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, there's 8 there, but they ain't the ones. But they're a nice. Oh, if I can keep still. They're a nice family. Nice. 8 ducklings as well. As soon as it's in 8, I thought it was them ones from a distance, but no. This is a different breed. But I'll give these ones a bit of a feed as well. I threw some bread in. That one's coming in. He's straight in, isn't he? And I think because she's got the ducklings with her Amia, she ain't come for them, but I'm going to leave these to it, try and look for the ones I released. Okay guys, I've been around the pond, all around the pond, and I couldn't find them. Bit disappointed really. Hope they're well. Hope they ain't been attacked by these big uns. But I'm gonna come back later on maybe, or tomorrow, and try and find some. But I'll feed the bread to these. They're probably on the islands because it's raining as well and it's quite cold. They're probably under the mother. So I'm gonna get off now and leave them to it. Maybe, hopefully, I'll come back next time and see them. Yeah, and this is the same breed as well. But this has only got 2 ducklings with it, and there's one over there, exactly same breed, with about 7 or 8 ducklings. You can just about see it there, right on the edge. With the see there. That's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could it be that one? I can't really tell now, you know. So there's the one in the water, and there's the one on the edge. That's fully zoomed in. Them ones there look about right, you know, but there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not 100% certain, but they look about the same age. See them running around on the island. There's the mother. They don't look far off, you know. But I'll never be able to tell now because there's so many here with ducklings. There's another one coming round. There they are. See them? Two just ducklings on their own. Oh, there's the mother. But that one don't look far off, you know. But like I say, I'm not 100% certain now. But I hope they're well. I ain't been to this park for years now. I've been past it, but I ain't been in it for years. But I've been down 5 days in a row now since you put the ducklings in. But I'm gonna leave the duck and the ducklings to it now, because plenty of people feeding them, which is a good thing. Nice to see that local people are feeding the ducks, and throughout the country and throughout the world, people are feeding birds, animals. But just a quick message: but if you can take your rubbish home, because it's a beautiful pond. Look at that. I would like to shine it to the right, but there's people sitting there, and I don't know if they'll want to be camera. But look at this. Take your rubbish home, guys. You're doing a good deed, and then just spoils it with that bad deed. Just put in the bins. If we can all take our rubbish home. So if you do a good deed, finish off with a good deed as well. Because this is not good for the anything in the lake. It's not good for the earth, environment. And we got to keep our own area clean. Others won't come and clean it for us. So if we can all make a little attempt, and I'm talking to myself first, and then to the rest, inshallah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you did enjoy it. And if you do ever get into this situation, seek help, call your local vets like I did, ask them for guidance, because they are creatures and we want the best for them as well. So they'll give you the best information and go by that, or ask other people. My neighbours were a great help. They knew someone who kept ducks, and they asked him and he's talked to him for a bit. given good advice which they passed to me, and the final decision he made also, like the vets, was to let it go in the local park, which I did, which you've just seen. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum, and thank you for watching.